Hello students. In the earlier session, you already learned about this chapter, conservation of plant and animals. But today we are going to learn some main topics again as a revision portion. Here you learnt about the deforestation and its causes, where you have to mention all the reasons why deforestation is occur and how it is harmful for our environment. As you can see it here, procuring land for cultivation, here are mentioned all the purposes कि क्यों हम करते हैं डिफोरेस्टेशन. द फर्स्ट पर्पज इज कल्टिवेशन के लिए, बिल्डिंग हाउसेस एंड फैक्ट्रीज बिकॉज वी नीड्स बिल्डिंग्स और हाउसेस फॉर रेजिडेंशियल एरिया एंड फैक्ट्रीज फॉर फुलफिल अवर daily requirement. That's why we are going forward towards the deforestation. Making furniture or using wood as fuel. और थर्ड पॉइंट ये भी हम इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं बिकॉज हमें उसकी नीड है जो ट्रीज इन दी फॉरेस्ट है फॉर द फर्नीचर मेकिंग एंड अ वुड, उसकी भी हमें नीड है एंड फ्यूल. दैट्स वाई वी आर डूइंग डिफोरेस्टेशन. हियर the second topic is consequences of deforestation and why the deforestation is harmful for us. That all content is defined in this portion. You already know this all content, but then even I'm giving you some highlights. Here is the word droughts. What do you mean by this? When the global warming as a carbon dioxide traps the heat rays reflected by the earth. This increased temperature on the earth disturb the water cycle and may reduce rainfall. This could cause droughts. यानी कि ऐसा हो जाता है कि ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की वजह से टेम्परेचर अर्थ का हाई हो जाए एंड ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रेन आना कम हो जाए. तो क्या होगा, ऐसी कंडीशन आ सकती है कि वहाँ कभी रेन ही ना आए एंड दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ड्राफ्ट. अगर रेन नहीं आएगा तो हमारे लिए पानी भी अवेलेबल नहीं होगा. जो पानी ऑलरेडी अर्थ पे प्रेजेंट है वो भी इवापोरेशन से चला जाएगा और प्लांट्स भी ग्रो नहीं कर पाएंगे. अगर प्लांट्स ग्रो नहीं किए तो हमारी बेसिक नीड्स है खाने की वो भी पूरी नहीं हो सकती है. द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द डिजर्टिफिकेशन. इट मीन्स हम डिज़र्ट को भी रिमूव कर रहे हैं. सी हियर, फ्यूअर ट्रीज रिजल्ट इन मोर सोइल इरोसन. यानी कि जितने कम ट्रीज हो गए उतना ज़्यादा सॉइल का इरोसन होगा. बट जितना ज़्यादा ट्रीज होगा, कनेक्टिविटी ऑफ द ट्री रूट विल बी एज मच हायर अंडरग्राउंड, दैट मच हायर दी soil erosion rate will be that much decrease. Yes, the removal of the top layer of the soil exposes the lower hard and rocky layers. This soil has less humus and is less fertile. It means जो ऊपर वाली soil का layer होता है up to few inches और up to few semis, वो ज़्यादा fertile होता है compared to the lower layer. Gradually the fertile land gets converted into desert. It is called डिजर्टिफिकेशन. यानी कि अगर फर्टाइल रेल है उसका सॉइल इरोशन हो जाए और वो डेजर्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है बिकॉज वहाँ पे ट्रीज भी नहीं ग्रो कर सकते और नीचे का अनफर्टाइल एयर बाहर आ जाता है. दैट इज़ नोन एज दी डिजर्टिफिकेशन. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक यू वेल लर्न अर्लियर इज कंजर्वेशन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ. अभी आपको ये सारे जो हार्मनेस है वो पता चल गए कि क्यों होता है. Here, conservation of forest and wildlife. In the earlier session already you learned about that what are the harmful effects of the deforestation. Now you are going to learn about if it is harmful then how can we stop that. See here, some map is given here and before that biosphere reserve. कहाँ कहाँ पे बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स है एंड ये क्या काम करते हैं. सी, सतपुरा नेशनल पार्क in the Nimgand, Bori Sanctuary, then Panchmari Sanctuary. These all are sanctuaries and reservoir park for the wildlife and these all are the forest area. Flora and the fauna. What do you mean by flora and what do you mean by fauna? Here you can see it. Wait a second. Yep, over here. It will just take a minute to get loading. Okay. Flora and fauna. The plants and animals found in a particular area are termed flora and fauna respectively. Respectively means the plants and the flora. Flora is the word for plant and the fauna is the word for animal. Plant and animal found in a particular area are termed as flora and the fauna. Here are some examples given to you that endemic species are those species of plant and animals which are found exclusively in a particular area. It means wherever the species are found in a particular area only, rather than that area it is not possible to have that kind of the species, that are known as the endemic species. The wildlife sanctuary. Wildlife sanctuaries like reserve forests provide protection and suitable living conditions to wild animals. What do you mean by wildlife sanctuary? The answer is it will give protection and living condition which are favorable for the wild animals. That's called the wildlife sanctuaries. The next topic is national park. In the national park, animals are protected by the government by deciding the particular area where human beings can't enter without the permission, and there is taken special kind of the care also from that area of the animal. Red data book. In this book, that organisms of the earth will be added whose whose number will be get decreased day by day. Migration. It means when some kind of the environment is not suitable for a particular organism, then what will they do? They will migrate to another favorable region of the earth. Here, recycling of paper. We can reduce the deforestation by cutting of the tree by less amount of the cut tree, or we can stop to cut tree by the recycling of paper, because most of trees are cut by human beings for the paper purpose only. If we are using recycling of paper, then it may possible to reduce the amount of deforestation. एंड द मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर्स इज़ रिफोरेस्टेशन. अगर हम डिफोरेस्टेशन नहीं करते दैट्स वेल एंड गुड, बट वी हैव टू टेक पार्ट इन द रिफोरेस्टेशन. इट मीन्स हमें कोई ना कोई प्लांट ग्रो करना चाहिए एंड वी हैव टू प्रमोट द ग्रोथ ऑफ द plant and take care of that. Here the whole summary of the chapter I have explained you again. So your duty is to read it and understand it and learn all the exercise and define from this chapter.